Shapa fethu kunjani kamera mengithini mfokaswela Mswati lo mnanzi Football Fusion. Sibuyile with another war and ngihamba ngiyi-one. Shithi manje bafethu okwami it's simple today. I just wanna comment kule nto ebikhuluma uHugo Boss about uMbokazi, the move going to play ku-MLSL, MLS. Yes. So bafethu mina I think like everybody else, maybe in the corridors we've been saying it, ukuthi we feel like the move happened too soon. Yes, we are saying it's good for the boy to actually get experience when he can't or going abroad, but to say it was the correct move, I also don't feel like it was correct because it happened too soon. I feel like it was rushed, but because of Hugo have the upper hand, why isho njengoba enjalo ukuthi this thing, if we're being honest, it has to do with the agent. Obviously the agent mhlawumbe ufake imali phambili than actually looking ukuthi on the long run will it be good move career wise for Mbokazi? I don't think so. So yenzeke fast. We should have waited for AFCON. We should have waited for World Cup. But also, man, I don't want to sound like a hater, but also Orlando Pirates for me could have declined the offer if they actually cared about the career Alumchi. But obvious because even Orlando Pirates we show with him, there's a lot of money that was made with Hambe Umbogas. But I remember really Melahambe and Orlando Pirates did actually decline that offer. So with Mbogazi they didn't. So also in the Pirates I feel like it played a particular into Mbogazi Hambe where he's going. But I just hope Uguti Umfana will adapt, and we all know he's a good player. So maybe even the team emthengile Chicago Fire nayo iyazi ukuthi they will sell him even a price a way better than the price abayi-offer Orlando Pirates, you know. I hope they won't be greedy ngaye mhlambe. As much as I sign a contract of 5 years, obviously a team keep a contract will have to pay a lot of money. So yeah, we can only hope bazomdedela, because if not kule league we don't even pay attention too much Glare League, even though we have your Messi there. So, I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know, guys. What you think about that, man? Was it a good move, or the agent you wanted money quickly? Asas. Moving on, the issue Akumboga is still on him. Go to Africa late to Camp Bafana, and now Hugo Boss is saying he's starting to act like a superstar. You know, I think Ukshiwa Indies. It happens to a lot of us, not just because Umbogazi and we think because umfana kanje kanje. No, kuyenzeka kushiya indies. That's reality. Yabo kuyenzeka. Uyashiya na ipass, uyashiya na i-text. So iyenzeka lento. I hope the boy gets to apologize to the coach. I'm sorry, I've missed. Because if you saw a video where he was coming, afika arrive at training, you can see he's unamahloni. Yeah, you see he's a walk of shame type of thing. About like, damn, I've disappointed the coach, I've disappointed the team, I've disappointed the country. So let's not be hard on the boy. You know, he's still young. He will get it right eventually, but we just need to support the boy. I think it's a good thing on the comments down below. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Football Fusion is on YouTube, is on X, is on TikTok.